All right, let's talk about making money with ChatGPT, but for real this time. Most of what you see out there assumes you've already got something going on. But what if you're starting from absolute, total ground zero? Well, this explainer is for you. Sound familiar? I don't have a website, I have literally 0 followers, and I have no money to start with. These are the thoughts that stop most people dead in their tracks before they even begin. We're going to tear those walls down today. Because what if I told you none of that is a problem? Seriously, this is what we call the zero stack method. It's an approach that's all about being lean, being powerful, and using nothing but your brain and a couple of free tools to get your first income stream up and running, fast. So, to really get this, let's kick things off with the best part, all the stuff you can totally forget about. This is the promise of the zero stack method, and it is so liberating. You can just forget about needing an established blog. You do not need thousands of followers on social media. And please, do not go out and subscribe to a bunch of expensive paid tools. You don't need them. And a tech background? Nope. If you can type a sentence into ChatGPT, you have everything you need to get started. Okay, so now that we've cleared out all that clutter, let's talk about what you do need. It's time to gear up with your AI toolkit. Don't worry, your wallet can stay right in your pocket. This right here, this is your entire business in a box, and it's all completely free. Think of ChatGPT as your 24/7 content engine that never needs a coffee break. Gumroad is your digital storefront, ready to take payments while you sleep. Canva is like your personal design studio, making everything look awesome. And your first customers? They're already hanging out in places like Reddit and Facebook. It's a beautifully simple setup, isn't it? Okay, you've got the tools. Now for the really fun part. 5 proven AI-powered hustles you can start today. I want you to think of these as missions in a video game. Your only job right now is to pick one, your very first mission, and just hit start. Let's dive into mission 1. This is a fantastic place to start. Selling high-value prompt packs. You're basically creating cheat codes for other people. You use ChatGPT to craft these really powerful, specific prompts, like how to write amazing sales emails or killer ad copy. Then you bundle them up into a prompt pack and sell it on a site like Gumroad. You're literally selling the keys to unlock AI's power for others. Ready for mission 2? This one takes a classic hustle and gives it a superpower. We're talking about freelancing, but with an AI copilot. You're going to use ChatGPT as your secret weapon to churn out incredible blog posts, video scripts, whatever, for clients. You find gigs on sites like Upwork or Fiverr, but you can deliver amazing work at a speed that is just going to blow your clients' minds. For mission number 3, we're flipping the script. We're not waiting for work to come to us. This one is all about smart outreach. Now, I'm not talking about spamming people, no way. You use ChatGPT to write highly personalized, thoughtful messages to find potential clients in places like Facebook groups or Reddit communities. The whole point is to spark a genuine conversation that naturally leads to a paid project. Now for a strategy that actually builds you a little digital asset you can sell over and over again. Mission 4 proves you don't even have to be on camera to be a great teacher. You can build a faceless microcourse. Use ChatGPT to outline and write the content, use a simple free tool to record your screen, package it up, and sell it on Gumroad. This is such a powerful way to create something once and get paid for it again and again. And for our final mission, we're going to get a little clever. This one's all about recycling and reinventing. We are going to flip something called PLR content. PLR just stands for private label rights, which is a fancy way of saying it's content you can legally buy, change, and then sell as your own. The strategy is so simple. Find some existing PLR stuff, then use ChatGPT to completely transform it, making it fresh and unique. Then you repackage it as a brand new ebook for a very specific audience. It's genius. So, you've got 5 awesome missions to choose from. But knowing them isn't enough, right? You need a plan of attack. That's where this simple 90-day launch plan comes in. This is your roadmap from starting out to stacking wins. Think of it as a 3-phase sprint. Month 1 is all about one thing, starting. That's it. Month 2 is where you create systems so you're not doing everything manually. And month 3, that's where you begin to stack your offers and really grow your income. But listen, I want you to forget about months 2 and 3 for now. Your entire world should be month 1.
The steps are so simple. First, pick just one of the 5 missions we talked about. Don't overthink it, just pick one. Second, launch a dead simple version of it. Don't get lost in perfection. And third, start sharing it manually in the right online communities and just listen to the feedback. That's it. That's the whole formula.
This right here captures the entire spirit of the zero stack method. It's not about finding more tools or waiting for the perfect time. It's about creating forward motion with the powerful, free tools you already have access to right now. So, if what we've covered today has sparked something in you and you're ready to move from just an idea to actual income, here's your next step. For the full, detailed system, head over to www.homebizsimple.com for a free masterclass on the fastest way to $5,000 a month with ChatGPT, even if you are starting from absolute scratch. Thanks for joining me.